Do you know what is the average temperature of the modules installed in the power station? Before answering this question, I need to explain in advance. There is no relevant paper or official date to support. Moregosolar has been engaged in Tier 1 brand modules trading for 12 years. After consulting with manufacturing technicians, installers, testing agencies, we have roughly drawn the following conclusion for your reference. You can see here, the power generation time is 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. and the average surface temperature of the modules. In winter, it's 28 degrees. In summer, it's 75 degrees. Annual is 65 degrees. We're also using UVA to monitor factory power station and make a temperature record sheet. You can see here, time, humidity, roof temperature, module temperature, and hotspot temperature. Taking 12 a.m. record for example. You can see here, module temperature 61 degrees, roof temperature 87 degrees. Module temperature is much more lower than the roof temperature. And also you can see here, hotspot temperature is the highest one, 141 degrees. You can even 3x. For us, let's do more power station calculations.